So that was the day sit. I got up here super early, as you saw in the video. It was 5 in the morning. Daybreak wasn't until 7. It is opening day. I only heard one gunshot in the morning, and that was it. So it could have been a gunshot, could have been anything else, very loud. But the thing is that it's super windy up here, and it's wet. Both things that work against the humans, because we can't hear the crunch crunch. And it's wet and it's cold, so obviously, weather doesn't affect the shooting, it affects the shooter or the hunter. Yesterday, I did a lot of repairs. I just walked up here this morning because I didn't want to spook anything. I do have a 4-wheeler, so if I need to, I could do a 4-wheeler. But that's only if I get something. I prefer to walk. I think it's a little more quiet. And although a lot of people say, the 4-wheelers don't disturb the deer, I think that's is something other that's not natural in their environment. They'll notice. That's just my opinion. Especially the bucks that are not used to this area. Bucks have a larger range, so they tend to move at least 20 miles, where the does tend to stay put. I did check the trail cams, and the trail cams are showing really, really good promise. So with the trail cams, I think there's one small black bear, at least a doe and a fawn, 2 other does, so that's 4 does total, and a 6-pointer. The 6-pointer comes out at night, so I'm pretty sure the night possibility or the evening hunt will be a little bit more promising, although I have shot a deer on the same mountain at 10 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know, it all depends. It is not the rut. The rut is basically the best time to go hunting because the bucks are not paying attention. They're making a lot of mistakes, and that's when we get lucky. The fact that there's 4 doe up here is a good sign. That means the bucks will be coming into this area very soon, looking to mate, which is good for me. And the fact that I already saw on the trail cam there's a 6-pointer. He might be a little bigger. It's hard to tell because it was a nighttime shoot, nighttime video, but it's all good signs. I haven't seen the black bear, haven't seen the sign of black bear, but then again, it's been raining pretty hard up here and a lot of trees are down, so it's good to move around in, but it sucks to be out here in the cold and the wet, but if hunting was easy, everybody would do it. I think they said in the United States only 3% of the populace are hunters. 3%. That's a lot of people, and only 3% still hunt because everybody buys their meat from grocery stores. And if you're one of those person, great. Just don't shit on my parade when I tell you I'm going hunting and you don't like it. You could buy all the grocery meats you want. I know for a fact that any animal that I shoot up here and eat is 100% organic. And all it cost me was some gas, some time, a little bit of knowledge, and a rifle. That's it. 1 bullet, $1.50. Get me about 10-20 pounds of meat. So pretty good deal for me. The only problem is you just got to get it yourself. So I'm going to try to go in, get some food, get warmed up, get ready for the night or the evening hunt. Get some coffee, most definitely get some coffee. Alright guys, so this is going to be the evening sit. Now, and it's still super windy out here, so it's not going to help. I'm in before sunset. It's about 4 o'clock. Sunset's at 6. And then that's when things get real interesting. So I always like to come in early, sit up, wait, that kind of thing. I have my rifle right there. I know someone's going to ask. That is a Model 110-308, and it is a Savage Arms, right? It's an all-weather, so that's why I bring it up here, because it's not a big deal for the weather. It doesn't affect it. 308, I shoot 168 grain Federal Fusion. It's a fantastic round for hunting. There's not a lot of distance up here because of the trees, but I've shot it well over 300 yards, and it shoots fantastic. I have a 3x9 scope on there. That is a Vortex Crossfire 3x9 scope. And again, I barely go past 300 because of all the trees. Very successful with that rifle. It's always been good to me, so I always carry it with. I'm expecting them to come from down, because I'm pretty sure they went down. This is the top of the slope, this is the bottom. So typically in the morning, they'll go from the top down, or they'll come from east to west. If they come this way, I'm already set up. I got my blind set up, extra clothing. Yesterday or last night, I froze my ass off because I did not carry enough clothing. And I'm going to do a pack review, so stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll do a pack review tomorrow, show you kind of what I carry. So tonight, we're just going to sit, we're going to wait, and see if anything comes around. Wish me luck. So that's pretty much it, guys. Walking back to the cabin. Pretty good ending to day one. I didn't see anything, but definitely got a lot accomplished. I think what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to change my tactics. I'm going to just do a night sit. Give the animals a chance to move around a little bit. I don't know if there's any more hunters in these woods. So I'm not sure about hunting pressure, but we'll figure it out. But tomorrow I'm going to go over my hunting kit, so stay tuned for day 2. I'll start it off with doing a review on all my hunting kit, and then we'll jump into the woods and we'll see what happens. Alright, so if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. It really helps out. And I could see home sweet home. Here we go. Alright. That's the cabin. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it.